So let's step inside of Mama's house and see what we're working with. We got a lot of stuff to do. I kind of want you to know what some of the stuff I brought in. I got my sheetrock. I got plenty. I got like 20 sheets. We got some siding, some boards for the separation. We got the new carpet. We still got to do this because the top of this one fell down, so we got to put that back up and put the insulation back in there. Which is nothing because they back then on those, it actually had, back then on those, it just had them nails. So the nails came out the sheetrock and fell. So even on these, we're gonna go back and put screws in to make sure it's getting screwed. And then on this one, we're gonna screw it. And that one right there had a spot, but it wasn't from. See a face of water here, so we're gonna be checking the damage. But it had trees. Getting them trees off of it did a lot, man. Like a lot. So we got to get the roof checked out. We got some stuff to do, but we've been getting some stuff done and getting some stuff stripped out so we can be ready to take things to the next level. We still got a lot of stuff to put in. So, and one of the goals was to get the roll-up door in. So we got it. I still got to put the rest of them, but I wanted to go on and get it up. We went and gone and did these. We're going to sheetrock this and insulate this side. And that way, this can be a good solid man cave, and I can have them put a window in here. I'm have an AC unit in here, so that way we can have air. When I need to have, and we need to chill, we'll have air blowing from there to cover this whole area and keep it insulated. So, still got a few things to do, but you see, we've been getting it done. Been buying some equipment from down here. Had to get a couple things. You know, this is my storage room. I got a couple things in here lined up, so you see, I've been getting to it. So we've been trying to get everything done that we can do. Kill several birds in one stone. Still got to finish it. Like I said, that's for the roll-up door, garage door. We still got a few things, but it's coming, family. It really is. So I'm proud of it. I just know it's going to take a little time, but it's going to go just one day at a time. All right.